Introducing the complete line of MesserAttachments for all your bale handling needs, built for strength, versatility, and peak efficiency. Whether you're managing round bales, square bales, or require custom solutions, Messer has the tools to elevate your operation. MesserAttachments make lifting and transporting both round and square bales effortless, saving you time and maximizing productivity. Conus 1 bale spear with a 1 3/8 inch diameter easily handles up to 1,800 pounds per tine, making it ideal for lighter loads. Conus 2 bale spear with a 1 3/4 inch diameter can lift up to 3,000 pounds per tine, providing greater strength for heavier loads. Conus 3 bale spear is available in a single size with a 2-inch diameter, capable of handling up to 4,700 pounds per tine for heavy applications. Discover our range of Messer products online. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a 2-year warranty. Plus, take advantage of free shipping on select items and exclusive local discounts.